Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is Saturday, March 16th. When I woke up this morning, I was 62.95 kilo, which is a loss of 300 grams since yesterday. Let's look at the numbers. So in total calories, 1,304 calories. I consumed 95.9 grams of protein, walked 21,063 steps for a total of 15.2 kilometers. So I broke my fast with my protein shake, my pineapple protein shake, so good. I actually bought a full pineapple so I can do the same again. It's delicious. I then made my own salad, aka it wasn't meal prepped, so from scratch I chopped the carrots, the tomatoes, weighed everything. Could not believe how long it took me to make one portion. So I should have prepped for this weekend and make more portions, but really I wasn't in the mood to eat the same thing today and tomorrow, simply because it's the weekend and I like to eat more egg-based dishes for the weekend. So I had my last meal at a bit later: prawns, shrimps, beer sauce, prawn with garlic, and potatoes, green peas. I did not have any cheese, and I had a little biscuit and a half biscuit of chocolate biscuit for dessert. I did not use any butter or any oil to fry my potatoes, and so that explains why the calorie total is that low. Yeah, overall a very good day. So I did a leg training yesterday, and I'll give myself a 10. I didn't do a super athletic workout. I didn't deadlift. I did not squats. But because in the past few days I was stagnating at like intensity 5 on 10, which is quite easy, I was getting really too comfortable with my workouts, which is not a good thing, by the way. I know it's fun in the gym to be comfortable and be like, oh, it's easy. But that's probably a sign that you need to higher up the weight, the amount of weight you lift for each exercise, and or change your style of workouts, maybe supersets, or do what I did, which is go really slow, really like stupid slow, and you'll feel it the way I felt it yesterday. It was tough. So yeah, I really took my time, and I can say that my workout was a very good workout. Still 5 on 10 because it was nothing incredibly athletic, but a very good workout nonetheless. So you remember yesterday when I told you, well, I'm a little bit of my routine, I don't really know, I'm a bit bored, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I wasn't in the mood for any kind of craving of chocolate or anything like that, but I was still feeling a little low. So later on that day, I went for a coffee with milk. Yes, I entered that in the system. And as I was having a coffee and looking into the horizon and the beautiful sea, I realized, well, what date are we? Look at my calendar. Straight away was like, it's been 3 weeks and a half. Okay, it's my period time. Time for my period. So I understood completely what I was going through. Honestly, and I don't even do that. Okay, I track the first day of my cycle so I can refer back like yesterday and I can check, well, was it 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago? It was 3 weeks ago. Okay, it makes sense if I have some kind of emotional moments that are unexplained by anything in my life. I'm just feeling low. I don't know why. It's hormonal, and it's that time of the month where it's a little not as joyful, and it's unexplainable, which is a little scary sometimes. What I could do, which I don't do at the moment, what I could do is in 3 weeks from now, I could put a notification in my calendar, just a little pop-up, hey, don't worry if you feel a little emotional, it's been 3 weeks. I've never thought about doing this. When I mark down my one, okay, today is the first day of my period, so in 25 to 28, 30 days later, I should have my period. But in 3 weeks, so 21 days, I will start maybe feeling a little less joyful because it's that phase of my cycle. I have never thought about doing this before, but it's genius because you're warning yourself, your future self, hey, don't worry, it's okay, just take it easy. It's been 3 weeks. I might start this for this cycle and see how it's going to pan out in 3 weeks. Anyways, all that to say that I'm still gonna go for a drink today. it is Paddy's Day. Obviously, I am going to celebrate that weekend. I think it's an international holiday anyway, isn't it? International party. But I'm gonna go for drinks today, for a drink today. I did drink a little bit of beer yesterday. I do not like beer. And the reason why I cook shrimps in a beer sauce is because I much prefer the taste of white wine. But then I'm stuck with the rest of if I use 50 milliliters, I'm stuck with 700 milliliter of white wine. What am I going to do with it? Drink it? No, I don't care for white wine. I'll have a little sip with my shrimps, but then I'll have like almost a full bottle open and I won't be able to drink it. So my partner loves beer. He likes beer, so he can finish a can, which is already smaller. But he's not going to drink the white wine. Neither will I. So that's why I cook with beer, which is delicious. But I do prefer the taste of shrimp in or seafood in general in white wine. So yeah, that's it for today. To be honest with you, I've got nothing to say other than, oh look, it's been 3 weeks, and that's the reason why I felt a little down yesterday. And you know what? When you're on a diet and you're on restriction, calorie deficit is a little bit of a restriction. It's not abundance of calorie. It's the contrary. You know, it can be sometimes a bit like, kind of sick of this. Yeah, I'm loving the results, but I'm kind of sick of this having to be under, making sure I'm not going over, I'm not in a surplus if I want to reach my goal. So it's already not that joyful. So on top of it, if you have some kind of unexplained emotional moments, it's just a bit much. And so be kind to yourself, okay? Be kind. Don't be too harsh. And if you do have these moments, just go for a walk. By the way, I felt really good after I walked. I went to the gym. I had no more emotional moments. No. So yeah, something to think about. Anyways, I will see you tomorrow. I hope you are having a fabulous day, and take care.